New year, same old story. Gas, groceries, the cost to borrow money, everything continues to get more expensive. And for the 8th time in less than a year, rates have gone up. I'm Frank Fallico of the Fallico Group. On this segment of Thoughts from the Red Chair, we're going to address a few questions. Did the banks bait us to borrow more? Did they know what they were doing? And should we have known better? Remember, it wasn't too long ago that the banks implemented their new stress test, essentially qualifying people at 2 points higher than what their current rate was at. The advocate in me says these increases were planned for some time. Otherwise, the stress test would have been unnecessary. It means that the majority of the people have already qualified for their mortgages at these higher rates. So the doom and gloom for the real estate market as a whole may not be as significant as the media is portraying it out to be. The banks know before you miss a mortgage payment, you will tighten up in other areas first. Maybe forego that expensive trip, less dining out, or take a pause on that new car. But you won't walk away from your home. Excuse the pun, but they bank on this. Our entire economy is predicated on shelter. If it suffers, everything suffers. The banks are not in the business of taking people's homes, but they are there to keep you paying for a long time. Negotiate your mortgage wisely. More thoughts next week.